Hello everyone, welcome to online class of computer. This is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Keep posting your comments, which is really a source of motivation. So let's start today's session.
Class 7th, let us continue chapter 5, Introduction to HTML5, part 8. Today we will do recapitulation and one HTML code. So class, the first point what we have learned in this chapter is internet. When we are talking about web pages, website, without internet there is no use of these things. So what is internet? Internet is a huge network of interlinked computers. From the word it is clear, inter plus net, inter-network. Which network we are talking about? Network of computers. Browser. Now this point tell you how we send the message to the server, how the computer know, how the web page know that this page has to be displayed, isn't it? So browser send a request to the server which send back the information to the browser that this type of format should be displayed. So in order to display a particular web page, whatever the code we write in the notepad, that request has been first sent to the server. After that the web page is being displayed. So browser is that platform which connect user and the server. Clear? Website. What are website? Consist of web pages. Different web pages make up website. Tags we are using different types of tags. Container tag, empty tag, so many tags we are using. So tags are used to identify the elements of our web page. Generally while writing in the notepad, if you make the changes, if you make the text bold, or if you do anything with the notepad without using a tag, that will not shown on the web page. In order to change the format, spaces, changing of line, you should have to use tags. Tag only send the request to the server that this will be the format to display the content. Right? What is the use of tag? It identifies those elements. Attributes. What are attributes? That gives value to the tag and add extra informations about the tag. Fine till now. Let us discuss a code. Look here, the basic structure will remain same. Okay, I want to create a web page where I want to display my point of view regarding the importance of education, and I'm giving a heading importance of education, and I want it to be underlined in italic format, and the heading should be different from the rest of the text. So look here everyone, how I have done this. H1 heading, H1 I have used, this tag I have used for heading. Fine. First I have opened this tag, last I have closed this tag. Please keep this in mind. The last tag you will open, the first you will close it. Italic tag I have opened last and I have closed it first. Fine. After that paragraph tag, in the paragraph I want to write a paragraph format. Fine. And look here one thing, H3 tag also I have used just to increase the font size. With a if normal paragraph I will write, the font size will not be increased. That I will show you in output. Okay, what is the use of H3 tag? I have closed it also. And the U tag, see here I have in between the paragraph I have used a U tag, a soul without body, because I want this part of my paragraph to be highlighted. As in English you write the paragraph and the important point you highlight na, you remember, you sometime you underline it to highlight the text. So the way I want to do it technically, yeah, on my web page. After that, BR tag I have used so that this line can come below, and HR is used for putting a horizontal, and BR, you know, body is closed, fine, HTML is closed, and what will be the value of BG color? Pink. So my web page will be pink in color. Let's see to the output now. Everyone please see my web page. Is it looking beautiful? Yeah, you can make it more attractive, and you can make the full-fledged paragraph also you can write. So please, it's my request, you note down that code that we have just discussed, and in the under the P tag, whatever thing content you want to display on the web page, you can write under the P tag. Okay, and look, importance of education, this is the main heading, and underline is also there, italic is also there, and see in between the paragraph I have highlighted this text, so I have underlined it. Fine. So at the end I would like to say you thank you and have a great day. So how I have done this? Using HR tag, and this separate line using BR tag. So my dear student, I hope you will do it, and I will eagerly wait for your web page. Please show it to me, and you can send the screenshot of your web page on the WhatsApp, right? And please write it, the code in your notebook. Thank you.